but they need to be wrapped up. Usually I would use one of the ends of these to wrap it with because they're nice and flexible, but this is not flexible today. I have some in here I could use. It was damp a while ago. You know what? I think there's a way to wrap, which is really good. You go that way. Put it that way alongside it. And then you do this around it. See how this is all breaking? Because it's not damp anymore. And then you take the end and put it through. There. See? This is from Nancy Today University.